to remove the rear wheel when I don't have a main stand. You need a piece of wood. This is a CB500. It's sat on its side stand. The piece of wood needs to be slightly longer than the distance between the ground and the swing arm. You push the bike over towards the side stand, not hard, the rear wheel comes off the ground, put a piece of wood underneath it and allow the weight to rest on it. You'll have 3 points of contact: piece of wood, side stand, front wheel. The back wheel is free to move, the bike is steady. Okay, the front wheel is a little trickier to balance. Yeah, you're going to need to use a shorter piece of wood. It's going to be propped underneath the sump. You need to turn the steering to full right lock, and then you need to turn and face the bike and lift the front wheel towards the side stand. Use the other arm to pop the piece of wood onto the sump. There we have it.